Hi, I'm Kari Underly, James Beard nominated author, third generation master butcher, and the founder of Range Meat Academy. Now I'm going to show you how to hone and sharpen your knives. The reason why we sharpen a knife is you have a very fine edge on the tip of your knife, and you can feel it. It's just that part that grabs with your knife, and that's your edge. So when you're using your knife during production, that little fine edge tends to roll over. And when that edge rolls over, that's when your knife becomes dull. And when your knife is dull, that's when you are at risk for injury. So we want to make sure that we keep a very fine point on the edge of your knife. One, it's going to maintain your knives for a lifetime, and it's also going to help prevent from injury. So if I had all three of these honing steels, I would start with the coarse steel first, and I'm going to show you two different ways to do this. First, you're going to put the steel in your non-dominant hand, and in your dominant hand you're going to grab your knife. And you're going to start from the back or the base of your knife, and then you're going to run your knife down the course of the steel to the tip, maintaining a 15-degree angle. So we're going to start from up here. You want to make sure that you keep it away from your body and slide down. Come back to the other side and slide down. Now, when you do this a lot, you can hear the steel sing. And so some people will say, do it a certain amount of time, but you want to apply the same amount of pressure on both sides. And then when you get faster, you can just keep going. Then we're going to grab our medium, the same technique. And you always want to apply the same amount of force to each side. So that's a very traditional butcher way to steel the knife. The other way to steel a knife would be to start with your base of your knife and work down, maintaining that same 15-degree angle. And you would repeat through all of your steels. The third way to steel your knife, especially if you're just getting started, would be to take a steel. Okay, we're going to place it on the table. So this way you don't have to worry about which direction your hands are going. You're really focused on placing the knife at the base of the steel and drawing it down to the point. Drawing it down to the point. So start at the base. You want to maintain that 15, 20-degree angle. And then one way to check to see how sharp your knife is to try with a piece of paper. So if your knife kind of grabs and you got to get like some featheriness, then you know that you need to go back and repeat what you did, but you should just get a nice cut.